Okay, do it again.
Customers give me money.
Say thank you for your money.
Thank you, bring me money.
Thank you for your business.
Thank you for my business.
You helping Daddy work?
Yeah. Forks.
Yeah, from your picnic basket?
Cheese.
What are you drinking?
Tea.
Hot tea with milk?
Yeah.
You know what it's called? Chai.
Let's try.
Oh, it's not chai?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Where are you going?
Hey, look. Catch it.
I can't catch it. You're going too fast. It's a laser pen.
On the arm. Catch it.
I can't. It's too fast. Ah, too fast. I can't catch it. It's on my pants.
Another new guys.
Don't do it on the camera.
Hey, Peter.
No, don't do it on my computer. Where are you going to see this again?
I know.
Lindsay's going to take you where? Gigi's house.
Yeah, Gigi.
What do you do at Gigi's house? You don't know?
Play.
Play.
And
Gigi likes to go out to eat? To restaurants?
no.
Really?
No, just me and Daddy.
Oh, just you and Daddy?
Yeah. Not Mary.
Not Meme? Where are you going?
See you next time, Mommy.
See you next time. Bye-bye.